Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be talking about the how it is useful to use this option called the visual enhancement feature in the Mi 10i 5G device while playing the PUBG game. So this is an option which is available in most of the Redmi and Poco phones. So which is called the visual enhancement mode. So right now in this video, I'll try to demonstrate you how to enable that option and how I think the PUBG game is really impacted by using this kind of option. So which is really useful feature friends. If you did not try this option in your device, then definitely I would recommend 1000% to test this kind of feature, so which will be improving your gaming experience. Definitely friends, trust me when I say this kind of thing. So this is my most favorite feature of all the things in the MIUI system. So this is called visual enhancement features, so which is not present in any other smartphone. So I can definitely guarantee you friends, this kind of in-depth customization is not even present in any other different manufacturing like Realme or Oppo or Vivo, any other phone. Only it's present in the Redmi and the Poco phones. I wish other companies they could have implemented this kind of thing, but that's not the case. So right now I'll try to explain friends in this video, so try to watch till end of the video to get to know what is the advantage of using this visual enhancement mode and why it's necessary while playing the PUBG game. So in this video I'll try to explain on the PUBG game. In another video I'll try to explain demonstrating videos as well, so make sure to check that video. So keep on subscribing to my channel friends and check every day for more information on this device. In case if you want to know more details about this device, make sure to check the links in description for that playlist. You can find this Mi 10i device playlist as well. So let's get started friends. First thing is that where you can find this option. So you can find that option in the game turbo. So you can have the game turbo access from the security, and then you can scroll down and then it will take you to the game turbo option, as you can see here. So it's the game turbo, and once you are in the game turbo, then you need to go to the additional settings and select the PUBG game. So where is the PUBG? I think it should be somewhere around here. So maybe I did not add the PUBG game as a game turbo, so let me try to add it. So it's like PUBG game, and let me try to go back to the settings, additional settings, and let me look for the PUBG game. So it's a PUBG mobile. So right now I'm trying to demonstrate only on the PUBG game, not in any other games. So only on the PUBG games. So first thing is it will be by default with the original colors. So now you can select the moderate, strong or extreme colors, as you can see friends. So there is another way of selecting these options as a shortcut. Every time you don't need to open this application to select these options, there is another method as well. So right now I'll try to demonstrate you while playing this game. So first thing is that let's choose the normal colors. So let's choose the normal colors and let me try to show you how much impact will it be there while gaming. So let me try to quickly open the PUBG game right now. So when I said you can choose by different means, is that there is a small toolbox available for the game turbo friends on the top, if you notice. So you just need to click for the arrow mark for the extra options. So beside this voice changer, there's an option called this visual enhancement. So by using this option, you can actually change the colors directly. So every time you don't need to open the settings to change. So these are really useful feature friends. Trust me, if you have these options in the game turbo, try to use that option and you will see a lot of improvement while gaming. So right now let me try to start the match, and so that you might be able to notice if I start the match as well. So when you're in the dark scenarios and dark conditions, this visual enhancement feature will help you to boost the colors. So there's another term called color boosting. So this very useful color boosting option is present here. So let me try to enable the option and try to watch this surrounding environment, how it changes. Standard colors, and this with the bright. Did you notice friends? So there's a sudden improvement in the quality. So brightness and the quality. So last option is so saturated and the brightness. So everything got improved, the saturation and the brightness. So that means you will be able to see the enemies from even from far away. So let me try to quickly keep an camera on this grass. So try to observe the grass only friends. So let me try to decrease the visual enhancement to none. So this with the none, as you can see. So less brightness, so you cannot see much. So saturated, so but that's not the bright. Third option, As you can see how much the color of the grass got changed. So this is what I'm talking about, friends, so which is really a useful feature, so definitely must try in most of the gaming smartphones. So right now I'll try to demonstrate you as well while landing on the ground, and let's see how will it be useful. So this also sometimes help you to identify the enemies from the far away. So there is also another excellent feature for this phone. And I'm using this kind of feature from the beginning of noticing this option, friends. So from the time to till now, every time I play the PUBG game, I'll be using this feature, so which is really highly recommended visual enhancement features in this Mi 10i 5G device. And same, this kind of option is also present in the Poco X3 smartphone as well, so which is a another great mobile phone. So right now I'm trying to land on the grass. So let me try to quickly show you the impact of the enabling this option, how it will be there. And let me try to disable everything. Try to observe the skin of this. So let me try to stop here and show you. So these are normal colors. As you can see, friends, see the surrounding environment how it is. And let me try to select little bit saturated, but it's not brightness not increased brightness. And now, as you can see, the brightness increased so much. So this will give you the very good experience while gaming, friends, if you have this kind of visual enhancement features. So maybe you may not be noticing in the camera, but if personally I feel a lot has been changed after using these options. So much improvement there is there. And this might decrease the battery life and increase the temperatures, but I'll try to do that video as well later on if you want me to test. So let me try to disable everything. As you can see, friends, everything got disabled and everything went very low color. So just observe right now. 1 2 3. As you can see how much the colors are increased. So this is the best advantage, friends, using the visual enhancement while playing PUBG in this Mi 10i device. And for more information, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, SciTech Guru. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.